Hey everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is Wednesday, and on Wednesdays we usually have like field work, but our field work is done. So instead of that, we are going to a friend's house just to gather around and discuss about our field work. So we're just going out. We're gonna do some shopping, and then we're gonna head out to her place. Heading out now. We look so bright. Oh my god, it looks so good. Hold it from upper. Hold it. We're done with our shopping. So we are going to our friend's place now.
Hi, am I looking like a homeless person?
Place bus Modia. Before this, we were sitting in the Magic because like it's so long, so we're just sitting in the SC bus. We're in. Sharam lag raha hai mujhe ye log dekh rahe hain. Just kidding. Change to a different bus. This is a bit dirty one, but it's okay. नहीं होगा. Guys, देख रहा है बे? So we are about to reach at her house after walking for like 30 minutes. It's so hot. Hello. 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 Sipping. What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans? Don't say that. Hello, game.
Kissy face. That's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel.
Don't you worry, look at what you, baby.
Crazy, all you gotta do.
Yes! Ria! Wow! Look at the biryani! Aduh, patut. My God.
She's doing Gangnam Style.
उसको बोला चिकन लेकर आने के लिए.
To guess it, you have to onion.
Yes, it's in my eye.
Oh.
तुम्हारा turn.
ये गाना? नहीं. Oh, गाना. अच्छा.
ना अभी नहीं होगा छोड़
तूने फिर से ब्लॉग
Yes,
कर दिया. Bye.
Bella is hungry.
This is not cilantro, it's dhania, okay?
Oh, जरा के लिए पापड़ भी लाया क्या?
It's cilantro only.
Meron. Kaya, nalong. Isa magkamat ka.
ओए मसाला अंदर गिर जाएगा
From Mizoram.
Pilar de Corey yung cheese.
Dalam Jammu from
Dan.
Bhutan, Highland girl.
She's Nesmi.
This is Nesmi.
That's me.
She's from this one, Haflong.
Havlong.
Silchar.
I'm sorry.
She's a good dancer, okay?
Good dancer?
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
This is Sanya.
Contesting for Miss Universe.
Yeah.
The guest, I mean,
Yes? No.
the mentor.
Yeah.
The mentor of third sem.
And this guy is Wilson.
I'm Wilson. Mr. Wilson. From,
So we finished making the. She's the cook and the helper.
और ये सब?
और हम लोग bookers.
नहीं, ये लोग salad. Oh, salad cutters.
और time कितना हो गया?
4.
Time is 4. We just finished making it.
We have our lunch now.
See, this is the veranda view. Oh यार इतना सुंदर है bro.
तुम्हें भागता है ऐसा
Wow.
खाली लो खाली लो मैं
गिर गया. Wow, this side is really nice.
We're about to go home now.
बोलो. और क्या?
We're about to go home. This is Wilson.
Master Wilson.
We are the only 2 boys in our classroom. Oh, those 2 are also good.
बोलो. This is my. This is slipper लाया इसने.
Oh my god.
So nice na this side.
Slipper.
So now we finished our food.
So they have a rooftop garden.
Wow, that's so nice. This house is so nice. Ay, क्यों horn मार रहे?
Where are we? Where we are going, man?
I don't know. So we have finished our food and now we are going out for evening walk. Evening walk.
Evening walk. It is a evening walk.
This is our field work.
Evening field walk.
वैसे कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग?
We're going down now. Okay, give me a call. Give me a call.
हाँ. So guys, खाना खा लिया. Oh, why am I speaking in Hindi? So guys, we finished eating, so we're gonna head out to our home. It's already dark now.
हमारा ब्लॉग में एक बार लाइक से जरा डिसलाइक आ जाए
Hello. After reaching home, she bought
Again?
pastry again. Uy.
Shit, no, please. It's okay, they're hugging.
Or we bought ice cream too.
Why to pay?
Topi bihira.
Care.
Look at this.
No, I don't eat these things.
Snake para bait liya, bro.